is Muhammad Shahzad from Repair My Mobile. So today I'm showing you how to flash on Redmi Note 4 or any Redmi 5 also you can flash on MI Flash tool. Either you can also flash your Redmi Note 9 or Note 9 Pro or Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 8. But after Redmi Note 5 you have to need authentication or login ID for flashing on this tool. But I want to flash Redmi Note 4. There's not need any authentication file. So now I am using the flashing via engineering file on this Redmi Note 4. Give the file path. So my file is continuing here. Now next is connect your phone. So now I am connecting our phone. So it's have a Qualcomm HSV QD loader. Now click on flash tab and flash your phone. Now it is going to flash. Now it's done. You can connect battery on your phone and you can open your phone. It will be definitely restart. Thank you very much.